Okay, boys and girls, I know that snake this week is a little bit challenging, so Mrs. Twinter wants to show you how to do snake. So on the first one, it's 10 divided by 1/4. Well, Mrs. Twinter realizes that we haven't done that yet, so I would like to show you how to do that. And it's real simple. I'm going to teach you the shortcut way, and later we'll go back and learn about the why. So Mrs. Twinter is going to teach you something called keep, change, and flip. So you have 10 divided by 1/4. We're going to keep the 10. We're going to change division to multiplication, and then you're going to flip the 4 over 1. So 10 times 4 equals 40 over 1. Your answer is 40 for the first square. So after 40, you add 30. So 40 plus 30 equals 70. Then you have 70 times a tenth, which is 7. Then it says 7 divided by 1/6. Sorry, 1/6. You're going to keep, change, flip. So your answer is 42. Okay, so then you had 42. 42 plus 12 equals 54. 1/6 of 54 equals 9, right? Then it says 9 divided by 1/6. So I'm going to keep, change, flip. That equals 54. 54 minus 27 equals 27. 1/3 of 27. 27 times 1 is 27. Divided by 3 is 9. 9 divided by 1/9 equals keep, change, flip. That equals 81. 81 minus 65 equals 16. Half of 16 is 8. So then we go 8 divided by 1/7. Keep, change, flip. So 8 times 7 is 56 over 1. That equals 56. 56 minus 48 equals 8. So remember, when you're dividing, it's keep the first number, change division to multiplication, and then flip the last number. Keep, change, flip when dividing fractions. All right, thanks guys. Have a good day.